Hello friends, welcome. In this video, I'll be discussing the turning circle of a ship. I will share what are the various aspects like transfer, advance, turning circle and tactical diameter. What is the difference between tactical diameter and final diameter? And I will also share what is the drift angle and the pivot point during the turning circle. Let's get started. So turning circle is the measure of the turning ability of the vessel. The turning circle of a ship is tested during the sea trial. Here is an example of what a turning circle looks like and what are the various terms that are used. So you can see on the bottom left corner is the point where the ship was going steady and then the rudder was given towards the starboard side. And it takes a little bit of time before the ship starts to turn. So let's say if I was going northerly course. So once my heading comes 090, that means I've altered 90 degree to starboard from the original course. Right when the ship completes its 90-degree turn, I would check two distances. One distance starts from the point when the rudder was given to the point when this 90-degree turn has been completed along the original course of the ship. And second distance we are interested in is the transfer, which is the lateral distance the ship has traveled from the time the rudder was given to the point where this 90-degree heading change had completed. And finally, the tactical diameter, which is when the ship has continued turning and finally reached the reciprocal course of the original course. So, if the ship was heading northerly, now when the ship is going southerly, again the lateral distance will be checked from the original course to the reciprocal course, and the distance will always be from the midship of the ships. And the turning radius is the radius of the circle from the time ship has actually started following a circular path. So once this turning circle maneuver is completed, the diameter of this circle is checked, which is called the final diameter, and the radius of this circle is called the turning radius, which is also the path of the midship point. So why doing this turning circle test is important during the sea trials? Because this test gives us the measure of the ability of a ship when it's using hard over rudder. The result of this test gives us the minimum advance, tactical diameter and transfer at 180 degrees. And why these factors are important? Because in case at sea, in the best of circumstances when you need to take action, these measures will let you know instantly whether there is sufficient sea room to make a successful turn. It must be noted that the following measures are done based on the deep sea. In case of shallow waters, advance, tactical diameter, and transfer are always higher. Tactical diameter is usually given as a multiplicity of the ship's length. As per the IMO recommendation, the advance should not exceed 4.5 times the ship's length, and the tactical diameter should not be more than 5 times the ship's length, and the turning circle to be performed with 35-degree rudder angle. It is interesting to know that the motion of the ship is like a crab, while the forward part of the ship tries to go inside of the circle. The stern part of the vessel tends to go outside of the circle, thus creating a term called drift angle. Drift angle is the angle between the center line of the ship and the tangent to the path of the point concerned. Usually, when defining the drift angle, it's always about the midship point of the ship, also called the center of gravity of the ship, the point which is used to trace the turning circle of the ship. It is interesting to note that at pivot point, the drift angle is always 0. And pivot point is the point where the longitudinal axis of the ship meets the perpendicular radius of the turning circle. Thus, from the diagram, you can see that point D is the pivot point, where the radius of the turning circle, which is perpendicular to the longitudinal axis of the ship, are meeting. Finally, I summarize the important points. When talking about the turning circle, it's the path of the center of gravity of the ship, also called the midship point of the ship. Advance is measured along the original course of the ship, while transfer is measured perpendicular to the original course of the ship. Tactical diameter is called tactical because the knowledge of this makes you a skillful navigator when turning the ship. Drift angle is the angle between the ship's longitudinal axis and the tangent of the turning circle. And finally, there is no drift at the pivot point. I hope it was a useful video for you. If you have any feedback, suggestion, or comment, then please do write down below. All the best for your exams, and as always, thank you for watching.